To fully appreciate the power of NIR for feed analysis, it may be helpful to discuss and then compare NIR to the contemporary methods otherwise used to analyze proximates in feed and feed ingredients. Traditionally, feed analysis was performed with what could be called wet chemical analysis methods. And without going into a lot of details, these methods use solvents, involve extraction or digestion, combined with titration to produce analysis results. This slide shows the range of FOSS chemical analysis solutions which we've offered for decades and still do for the analysis of protein, fiber, and fat. One key point in understanding the limitations of chemical analysis methods is that each test is specific for an individual proximate parameter. And each test takes a considerable amount of time, typically in the range of hours, and again, just for one proximate value. And of course, since you're dealing with solvents, you have to deal with solvent safety and solvent waste that is produced during the analysis. While there are drawbacks and limitations to these traditional methods, it must be understood that they're still extremely important. These kinds of solutions are widely used and accepted, produce accurate results, and are commonly used in feed companies' central laboratories or in third-party commercial testing labs. While these tools are invaluable for the industry, they do not offer the rapid on-site analysis that feed manufacturers need today because they're simply too slow. This slide highlights the differences in different analysis approaches with respect to the important time to result parameter. In other words, how long does it take to get an analysis result that you can then take action on? Here we compare an on-site NIR approach, which typically has an analysis time of less than a minute, to an in-house chemical analysis method that can take hours, and the practice of sending samples to a third-party lab for testing, which can take days. This simply illustrates that only NIR is uniquely able to produce results fast enough for real-time decisions. And this is important if you want to have analysis results before you receive a load of ingredients, for example, or before you ship a lot of finished feeds. Getting results in hours or days just isn't useful for these purposes.